The azure-winged magpie belongs to the genus Cyanopica of the family Corvidae, order Passeriformes. It is a medium to large songbird, measuring about 30 to 42 centimeters in length, with a bill length of 23-29 millimeters, wingspan of 13-19 centimeters, tail length of 18-30 centimeters, and weighing about 73-132 g. Males and females look alike, though males are slightly larger. Adults are mainly black and gray, highlighted with blue. The forehead, crown, nape, sides of the head, and hind neck are black with a bluish metallic gloss. The shoulders, back, rump, and upper tail coverts are earth gray. The wings are grayish-blue to sky blue, with the outer two primaries dark grayish-black, while the rest have white outer veins forming a distinct white wing patch. The throat and chin are white, and the rest of the underparts are pale grayish-white. The tail is wedge-shaped, grayish-blue to pale sky blue, with the two central tail feathers ending in broad white tips, while the others have only narrow white edges. The underside of the tail is pale bluish-gray. The iris is dark brown to light brown, while the bill, legs, and feet are black. Juveniles resemble adults, but are duller with more brownish tones, and their white wing patches and tail tips are less distinct. This species is gregarious and diurnal, often forming small groups of 3 to several dozen. They exhibit communal roosting, intraspecific cooperation, and flocking behavior. They often mix with starlings, blackbirds, and other small corvids. They move about actively, hopping through the forest, flying back and forth with quick wing baits, and are capable of long glides, but not long-distance flights. When disturbed, they scatter rapidly, but soon regroup. They call constantly while moving or flying, producing loud, harsh, and varied calls. They are bold and aggressive, usually moving by hopping, rather than walking. As they feed heavily on insects, they are considered beneficial birds. Their diet is omnivorous, but mainly consists of insects such as true bugs, beetles, moths, and butterflies, ants and wasps, and flies, along with larvae. They also consume fruits and seeds. The azure-winged magpie is typical of plains and low mountains, inhabiting a wide range of lowland habitats such as foothills, woodlands, farmland, wetlands, roadsides, villages, parks, and scenic areas with sparse trees. They are widely distributed across Asia and Europe, including Spain, Portugal, France, Russia, China, Mongolia, Korea, and Japan. This species is socially monogamous. Breeding takes place from May to July. During the breeding season, their calls become more frequent, and males and females often chase and circle each other in flight before pairing and mating. Nests are usually built in the forks of medium-sized trees and are often reused from previous years. The nest is rather simple, shaped like a shallow dish or platform, constructed mainly from dry twigs, grass stems, and leaves, and lined with moss, leaves, hemp fibers, cloth strips, plant fibers, and animal hair. Both sexes share the task of nest building. They breed 1 to 2 times per year, with each clutch containing 4-9 eggs. The eggs are oval, grey, whitish-grey, pale green, or grey-green, and covered with brown speckles. The incubation period lasts about 15 days, with the female incubating the eggs. The chicks are altricial, and both parents feed them. The young leave the nest, and are able to fly at about 19-22 days old. The species has a lifespan of about 7-10 years. Due to its wide distribution and stable, healthy population trend, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists the azure-winged magpie as a species of least concern.